Hello IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on with the P0195 code? That means there's an issue with the engine oil temperature (EOT) sensor circuit. If ignored, this can lead to poor engine performance and even overheating risks. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0195 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around, because this could save you from costly repairs. The P0195 trouble code is triggered when the Engine Control Module, ECM, detects a malfunction in the engine oil temperature sensor circuit. This sensor helps the ECM monitor oil temperature and adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing accordingly. If this sensor fails, incorrect readings can lead to engine performance issues, increased fuel consumption, and possible engine overheating. When dealing with a P0195 code, you might notice a few symptoms. First, the check engine light could be on. You might also experience poor fuel efficiency. Rough idling or misfiring can also be a sign, and in some cases you could face possible overheating issues. There are several common causes for a P0195 code. 1. A faulty engine oil temperature sensor, which may be sending incorrect signals or no signals at all. 2. Wiring or connector issues, such as loose, corroded, or damaged wires that can disrupt the signal. 3. Engine oil contamination, where thick or dirty oil can affect sensor performance. And 4. An ECM malfunction, which is rare but possible if other issues are ruled out. Now let's talk about the engine oil temperature sensor location. The EOT sensor is typically found near the oil filter housing or inside the engine block. In some models it may even be attached to the oil pan. Look for a small sensor with an electrical connector attached. The sensor is connected to the ECM via a 2-wire circuit. Check for any loose, corroded, or frayed wires leading to the sensor. First, inspect the wiring and connectors. Check for loose, damaged, or corroded wiring. If damaged, repair or replace the wires. Next, test the engine oil temperature sensor. Use a multimeter to check sensor resistance. Compare the readings with manufacturer specifications. If the readings are out of range, replace the sensor. Check engine oil quality. Ensure the engine oil is clean and at the correct level. Replace old or contaminated oil if necessary. Replace the engine oil temperature sensor if needed. If the sensor fails the test, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Alright, now it's time to clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0195 code. Then, drive for a few miles to make sure the check engine light doesn't come back on. And there you have it! That's how you fix P0195 and keep your engine running smoothly. Fixing this issue will help prevent performance problems and potential overheating. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, be sure to check out these related videos: P0123, throttle position sensor, A circuit high input, and P0124, throttle position sensor, A intermittent. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.